today I have a deliver from. Alright, so we're about to cut it. Okay, like that. And then and boom! We just cut it in 0.5 seconds. Okay, so this is a WPL model. You can see here, off-road racing series. Whoa, off-road. So it's a 6x6 wheel drive, 8+, and I'm 9. So it's 2.4 gigahertz, normal car. Here, this is the car, off-road racing series, military truck. What is that? Here is the truck, off-road racing series with military truck, collectible die-cast model. Oh, die-cast. 4-channel RC, forward, reverse, left and right, forward light, and high power red or RED. And then Omi bearing control system, full function, 116 series shock absorbers, and then the charger is this. I think it's a USB charger, and then the battery is 7.4 volts, and then I think the controller uses a 2x1 5-volt AA, and then batteries. That's the battery. Yeah. So that's basically the whole box. So let's open it. Let's open it from this side. Wow, I can see the thing. This thing. Thingy thing. Oh no, my feet. It's the battery. The Leon. It's 7.4 volts, 2000 mAh. Yeah, it's the same plug as the crawler, I think. So let's just put this battery aside there. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a charger. And there's mirrors. There. And then, let me see. Yeah, it's a USB charger. I knew it. I'm smart. Oh, there's another battery? What's this? Is this? I don't know what is this, but it looks weird. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. And we have another battery. And another one. Okay. Oh, this is the packing list, installers and charging method for the batteries of the military truck and remote control, and blah blah blah, cautions and stuff. And it tells you how to plug it. Chinese. And then this is the controller. Oh, here's the English version. Here. Okay. You can just pause that if you want to see it. Why is there batteries? I think they gave us some free batteries. Honda. Wow, I think that's some high quality batteries. Oh, what's this? It's screws. Wow. Oh, there's teeth. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh. Whoa. Wow, this is awesome. Oh, what just fell? Anything here? No, nothing. Put it aside. Also put this aside. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, let's pick these things up. Yeah, so here's the truck. It's a 116. Oh, and it's metal. The drivetrains are metal. Sheesh! And the motor is so big. Whoa. Oh, I think it's an on and off switch. Yeah. Where's the suspension though? Is it just loose like that? Okay. So, I watched in YouTube that apparently it can open. The doors can open. So let's test if this myth is true. Oh wow, it actually works. And then inside there's a wheel, there's a radio station, and there's the shifter. I learned what is the joystick. It's called a shifter, if you guys didn't know. I'm smart. Okay, so how do we open this? Oh, like that. How do you... Is there anything here? It's only one door? So we have one door. And you can put seats in there and toy soldiers. Oh my god! Look what happened to the wheel. It's fine. Very weird remote. So it's WPL and it's very light. The springs are good. Okay, high speed series, off-road. And then let's see. On. Oh yeah, I don't have batteries. And I think this is the trim. Oh, here. Oh, bro, they gave us free batteries? Where's the battery thing? Oh, here. Right? Is it here? Where's the screwdriver? Ow! My knee. Okay, so we already put in the battery. So now I'm gonna show you how to put the car's battery. So first you gotta open up the hood. There's some things here. And then you gotta take this thing and then put it in here. Let me see. Like that. And it blinks and you just squeeze it in there. It doesn't fit. What? Whatever. And then you turn on here. And I think, whoa. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, this is the steering trim. Okay, let me just... Okay. The steering is pretty cool. It's pretty good. And I think it's all-wheel drive. And there's even lights. Wow. Okay, let's try to test run it. It's not moving. It's not moving. Hello? Hello? The steering works. So unfortunately we have a problem. So I was thinking what was wrong. So unfortunately it can't roll because it's very hard. It's the motor is not strong enough. Something is stuck or it's just stuck. I can't even move it. The servo can move, but there it can move, but it cannot throttle. You see, I'm doing full power, reverse cannot, only steer and trim. And also, I broke one of the lights here. So it's supposed to go like this, but it broke. And then wait, let me try to put this one. Can fit. Can fit a mini Z car. It's not really a mini Z. It's a WL Toys. Yeah, that's the end of the video. We're gonna fix it soon, but for now, okay. So I thought it was just gonna be an unboxing, a simple unboxing, but turns out it's a full repair. So we're gonna put this one on here. Let me see if I can do it. So yeah, that's basically the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and grabbed some popcorn. And yeah, bye.